Good afternoon. I'm calling this your PHS News Today for Tuesday, August 20th. Any student interested in participating in the Fall Festival Queen and Princess pageant should sign up with Miss Parks in the guidance office. The Princess contest is from grades 7th to 8th, and the Queen contest is for grades 9 through 12. Forms are due August 30th. From Monday the 19th through Friday the 23rd, the catering crew will be hosting a supply drive for the Essentials project. The first period with the most donations will receive donuts. Boys varsity tennis will be at home against Salem starting at 5. Cross country will be running at Orleans tonight starting at 5. Girls varsity golf will be playing at Springs Valley starting at 4:30. Miss Stroud is collecting bottle caps for our project. Please save your caps and take them to Miss Stroud's room. Collected caps will be taken to the First Chance Center at the end of each month. I'm Kaulen, and that's your PHS News Today. Have a fantastic day. Our very own EB Kerby is competing. For Monday the 9th.